Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 26th of June, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since May 3rd, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0.22. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this period, the stock has outperformed our expectations with a gain of 10.31% since we first recommended buying QQQ 37 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.28% per day since it was listed as hold accumulate. The ETF lies in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 11.40% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 4.77% and 13.46%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 30.73% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 14.14% and 32.66%. This translates to a price range of $548.32 to $637.28 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The QQQ ETF price gained 207,000% on the last trading day, Wednesday, 26th June 2024, rising from $479.38 to $480.37. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 581,000% from a day low at $478.13 to a day high of $480.91. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.64% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by negative 7 million shares, and in total, 22 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $10.54 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of ETF was $486.86, and the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 1.33%, or $6.49, below the 52-week high of $486.86, which is also the all-time high for ETF. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $480.80. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $460.90. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. the ETF should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 18th, 2024, and so far it has fallen 1%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 38 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 149 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $438.37 and $431.06. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $438.37. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $431.06 and $414.65. This ETF is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the ETF moved $2.78, 0.581% between high and low. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.03%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $481.47. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $438.37. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $463.08, a decrease of 3.6%. This ETF has low daily movements, resulting in lower risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 46 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, June 27th, we expect QQQ to open down negative $0.567 and start trading at $479.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.